Welcome to the next lecture of photosynthesis, and here in this lecture we are going to discuss about the site of photosynthesis. In our previous lecture we had discussed about the history of photosynthesis, and now the site of photosynthesis. It means where does the photosynthesis is going to take place in the plants. So here is the site of photosynthesis. The site for photosynthesis is chloroplast, which is present in the leaves of plant. Clear? Some herbaceous plants. In some herbaceous plants, stem is also having chloroplast, but in most of the plants, chlorophyll or chloroplast is present inside the leaves. So, the site for photosynthesis is chloroplast, which is generally present in the leaves. Now we have to discuss about the structure of chloroplast. The detailed structure of chloroplast is discussed in the chapter of cell, the fundamental unit of life. ठीक, वहां से आप क्लोरोप्लास्ट के डिटेल्ड स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में स्टडी कर सकते हैं ना. वहां पर जो सेल वाला चैप्टर है उसमें क्लोरोप्लास्ट का वीडियो बनाया हुआ है मेरा, तो वहां से आप उसको देख सकते हैं. And here we are going to discuss about the short introduction of chloroplast. We know that chloroplast was firstly discovered by Ernest Haeckel. Ernest Haeckel was a scientist who firstly discovered the chloroplast, and the chloroplast is basically double membranous structure. So this is the outer membrane. This is called as outer membrane, and the second important membrane is called as inner membrane. So this one is called as inner membrane. Clear? So this is inner membrane. Inside the inner membrane, the space which is present, in this space some stacks of coin-like structure is present, like this. These are the stacks of coin-like structure, and these structure are called as grana. The single unit of grana is called as thylakoid. Okay, so these are called as grana. So here this is grana, and its single unit, this single unit is called as thylakoid. All of these grana are interconnected with each other. Okay, so these are interconnected with each other, and this lamellae is called as stromal lamellae. The lamellae which is going to connect the grana with each other is called as stromal lamellae. Inside this space, a fluid-like structure is present, and that fluid is called as stroma. This fluid which is filled inside this is called as stroma, and this stroma is site for dark reaction. So inside the stroma, dark reaction of photosynthesis is going to take place. What is happening in the dark reaction? In the dark reaction, the carbon dioxide is getting reduced to synthesize carbohydrates. So stroma is the site for dark reaction, and here the thylakoid membrane, okay, the membrane of thylakoid, it is the site for light reaction of photosynthesis. So the light reaction is going to take place in the membrane of thylakoid, and dark reaction is taking place in the stroma. Except all of these structures, chloroplast is having its own DNA. So here its own DNA or genetic material is present. This is called as DNA. RNA is also found here. Ribosomes, which are the unit of protein synthesis. So ribosomes are also present in this chloroplast. So here these are the ribosomes. Which type of ribosomes are these? These are 70S type of ribosomes. So these are 70S type of ribosomes. So 70S type of ribosomes are also present inside the chloroplast. Clear? So this is the structure of a typical chloroplast, which is responsible for the reaction of photosynthesis. It is a double membranous structure. The outer membrane is called as outer membrane and the inner one is inner membrane. The stack of coin-like structure, this is called as grana, and the single unit of grana is called as thylakoid. This thylakoid is the site for light reaction of photosynthesis. And what is the important reaction which takes place during light reaction? That is photolysis of water molecule. It means the breakdown of water molecule in the presence of sunlight. In the stroma, the enzymes are present which are responsible for dark reaction of photosynthesis. What is going to take place in the dark reaction? In dark reaction, the reduction of carbon dioxide is taking place and formation of carbohydrate, that is in the form of glucose. The food is synthesized. Okay, so this is the important structure of chloroplast. 70S type of ribosomes are there, and these ribosomes are responsible for photosynthesis. This stroma is also having its own DNA and RNA, that is called as genetic material, so that it can be replicate. Clear? So this is all about the structure of chloroplast. Many types of enzymes and many types of ions are also present in this stroma, which are responsible for the dark reaction of photosynthesis. Clear? So this is all about the structure of chloroplast. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the pigments which are responsible for photosynthesis. Clear? Thanks for watching.